Understanding Beat the Butter, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English cooking, beat the butter. This phrase is not just about cooking, but it's a great example of how English uses specific verbs for different actions. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it. Beat the butter is a phrase used primarily in cooking. It means to mix butter rigorously until it becomes soft, creamy, and smooth. This is usually done with a spoon, fork, or a special kitchen tool called a whisk. Beating the butter is often the first step in recipes for cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. It's important because it helps to incorporate air into the butter, making the final product lighter and fluffier. In English, specific verbs are often used to describe precise actions. For example, in cooking, we don't just mix everything. We beat, whisk, stir, blend, and fold. Each of these verbs describes a different method of mixing ingredients together. Understanding these verbs can help you better follow English recipes and also improve your general English vocabulary. While beat the butter is primarily a cooking term, you might hear it used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, someone might say, "I'm beating the butter in preparation for the big meeting." This means they are preparing thoroughly, making sure everything is in perfect order, similar to how one would carefully prepare ingredients for baking. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, beat the butter, and the importance of specific action verbs in English. Remember, learning a language is like cooking a great dish. It takes practice, patience, and the right ingredients. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a master of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.